Okay, so part three basically of my mini rant on the game changer in my business, which was brand photography. Um, and it was connected to the brand. And ultimately, I actually, even though I'm a web designer, I worked with a brand specialist. I worked with a copywriter. I worked with someone who was going to be able to bring my vision to life better than I could, because sometimes, even though we're the expert, sometimes we're too close to our own project. We're too close to our own graphics, our own marketing, our own copywriting. And sometimes we need another perspective to help us dig out the gold nuggets of our own messaging, right? Like, I had done customer research, and then my brand strategist helped me take that research and turn it into the correct messaging that is so powerful on my website, right? Sometimes it does take a team. I am so grateful that I have helpers.